Hello, in this video I will be showing you beautiful and trendy white lace styles. If you are new here, I welcome you to Jobella Fashion, your one-stop fashion channel where you get all different fashion styles and ideas from men, women and kids all in one. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you are an already existing subscriber, thank you so much. You will agree with me that looking good is a good investment because you will be addressed the way you dress. I'm sure you love to look good, right? And outstanding wherever you are or any event you show up. But the challenge is getting the style to choose for your beautiful and expensive fabric for that special event. I can understand, don't worry. This video is right for you. Here is a compilation of beautiful and trendy white lace that would be so perfect for your white lace fabric. Do well to like, comment and share with friends and family. You know what? Sit back and enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do